Hi, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to go over more Perles du Bac, and the first one I wanted to talk about is one that took place in English, and it was pretty funny. The question that students were asked was, how is Turner coping with the situation? How is Turner coping with the situation? And a couple of students answered the following things. Turner can copy the situation because he has no paper. Because in French, copier is to copy, okay, or write down, all right? And they thought that to cope was to copy. The second student wrote, Turner is coping the situation on a notebook. Turner is coping the situation on a notebook. And in his head, he was thinking, Turner copie la situation dans un cahier. Doesn't make any sense either, but still, all right, at least it's giving you some good vocab. Un cahier is a notebook, and to copy is copier, but it's really also to write down. In class, we talk about copier, what's on the board. It means writing down what's on the board. In history, students were asked about politics in Europe, and one student wrote the following thing. L'Europe politique, c'est comme l'hiver dans Game of Thrones. On t'en parle, mais on ne la voit jamais arriver. Okay? Political Europe is like the winter in Game of Thrones. They'll tell you about it, they'll talk to you about it, but you never see it coming. Not sure the student really understood about politics in Europe, but anyway, definitely understood Game of Thrones. The next one is pretty brilliant. Students were asked to give the name of two world cities, big world cities, and the answers of one student were China and Mexico. Pretty amazing. All right, next. A student said that South Africa was founded back in 1815 by Nelson Mandela. That was deep. Okay, all right. In geography, a student wrote the following thing. He said, l'Afrique du Sud poursuit son développement autour de ses deux plus grandes villes, Johannesburg, I agree with that one, et Dublin. That I don't know. Dublin? South Africa? Really? Okay. But so that means South Africa is continuing its development around its two largest cities, apparently Johannesburg and Dublin. All right. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more, and go to the description, download the app. You can start learning today for free offline, and visit our website. You can subscribe monthly, or you can purchase any part of the course that you want. And in terms of subscription, you can unsubscribe at any time. And if you have any questions, send me a message at alex@language-city.com, and I'll see you soon at Language City, and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. À bientôt. Salut.